This is the new digital all camera all in one that comes with a 8 GB RAM, 256 GB internal touch screen. You can use RVG, YouTube, any PDF files, Google Chrome, anything with the camera also. Pricing is 60,000. Warranty will be 1 year, and we will give at one shot with the RVG 115 expert vision RVG with screen. And the operation will be this one. This is the screen you are looking for, 17-inch touch screen.
Can you show me the internal camera demo?
This is the camera. This is the camera screen will be looking out. Camera will go. We have to select the patient first, then camera. We can import a video on camera images also. We can export also. Like every internal camera you are using till now, you can just upgrade this screen to your clinic. You don't have to take any laptop, any camera, any desktop for your hospital as well as your personal clinic setup.
Show me image quality.
This is totally a medical graded company.
No, internal camera image.
Internal camera, we have to just start the whole process. Just the image quality will look like.
Internal camera इसके देख. Internal camera.